Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. This is a tuck and fold box for 3x3 cards, handmade soaps, something like that, and it's using the beautiful new Mosaic Mood designer series paper, and I've hand cut that hummingbird out. This is a snug fit. So it's a tuck and fold box, so you don't need any adhesive on the box itself. That's the box, it tucks away, and I've just put a belly band wrap all the way round. Charming and lovely. So let me pop that off to one side, and I'm using terracotta tile. This is one of our new in colours, and it's the colour that's in the background there, although actually I'm using this paper this time round. So 11 by 6¼ inches on your piece of cardstock, 28 by 16 centimetres. And where is my scoring tool? There it is. You take your pick tool. Okay, on the long side, score it at 3¼ 4¾ 8 and 9½ inches, which in metric is 8, 12, 20 and 24. Turn it round and score it at 1½ and 4¾ which again in metric is 4 and 12. So the finished dimensions of it, 3¼ by 3¼ by 1½, so 8 by 8 by 4. So that's why you can fit 3x3 cards and envelopes inside it, because obviously they're 3x3 inch cards. The envelopes are a little bit bigger, and you want to be able to fit them in. So we're going to burnish these score lines. And there's a little bit of scoring to do with a ruler. Okay, so when you hold it this way round, you've got square, rectangle, square, rectangle, rectangle. So have this bit facing forwards to you. I'm going to cut that square away. And this one. So this is the only cutting that's involved in this. Okay. And now I'm going to turn the end of this over, and because I want the thinner end, and I'm going to get my ruler, and what I want to do is score diagonal lines into each of these squares, and the way to remember to do it is have them all pointing into the middle, and then you'll know that it will score perfectly. And actually you only need to line up once, and then you can go across the whole lot because it's a square in the middle too. So that's the first pair done, facing into the middle, and then we're going to do the same there as well. Okay, so fold that in and just give that a bit of a burnish, and fold this one in and bring it back out again, exactly the same. So we're starting to get our shape, and then same over here. So fold it in first before then taking it back out again. So fold it in and then back out. And when you pull it all together, you will need to burnish again a little bit because it will try and undo itself. But this is all going to fold up, and that will tuck in there. And it holds itself completely shut. Easy peasy. Right, let's do a DSP wrap now. So this is 3 inches by 10½ inches. In metric that's 7½ by 26. So start at the bottom, and I'm gripping hold of it with my thumbs and gently go round. And this is just to give me a bit of a guide so that I know it's all lined up. I can put some adhesive on here. And I don't want it too tight because obviously I want to be able to slide it on and off, which obviously you saw. I made it maybe just a smidge too tight on the other one, but I can slide that on and off. Okay, although my butterfly is the wrong way up. So I need to slide that off and bring it round again. Snug as the proverbial bug in a rug. Okay, so I'm going to fussy cut one of the beautiful Mosaic hummingbirds, although I don't know which one. I think that one. So I'm just going to chop it away. And slightly smaller pair of scissors. And I don't know how well you can see, but actually, although it is mosaic, there is an edge of very pale crushed curry all the way around. So you've got a guide to go with. Fussy cutting is not my forte, it's not really one of my strengths. But this makes it quite easy actually, because it's a solid image. It's a reasonably big image as well actually. It's taken me a while to get into playing with this paper, but I brought a card the other day to you. I don't know what day of the week, was it yesterday? Last week? I'm not sure. And yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed making that card, and I thought actually, you know what, this is quite appealing. So I'm just going around the tail feathers of the hummingbird. There we go, done. Okay, so I want some very vanilla cardstock now. And I'm going to bring in terracotta tile and the stamp set, which is just out of reach. Sending all happy wishes your way. I might as well use the one that's got the matching punch, because, you know, I like a punch. Is this really only 8 minutes? Goodness me. Super quick to make a project. And then the timeless label punch. A couple of dimensionals on there, and then make sure that my hummingbird is my butterfly, although yeah, I'm going to cover that now, aren't I? Ooh. Yeah, I'm going to cover the butterfly. Oops, not intentional. But it still looks gorgeous. And there we go. So let me slide this one back on. Easy peasy, and apparently really quick. 9 minutes, goodness me. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.